Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of account standard 11 part 1, 9th chapter, ledger posting. Previous video I taught you how to do the ledger posting from Simple Journal. Simple Journal means from chapter 4. You are having the different type of journal. In chapter 4 you got the combined journal also, but I taught how to do the ledger posting previous video only the ledger posting from Simple Journal, which is not combined. Now in this video we are going to learn how to do the ledger posting from combined journal and also how to do the ledger posting from subsidiary books. The two things we are going to learn from this video. First, how we will do the ledger posting from combined journal. What is combined journal? All of you know. The number of debit account or number of credit account or more, or both way. And second point, how we will do the ledger posting from subsidiary books. What is called subsidiary books? That also you know. First you learn how to do the ledger posting from combined journal. I have taken one combined journal example here. Business transaction I have not written, but what is this you know. This is called opening entry. Cash account debit, furniture account debit, stock of goods account debit to capital account. So Mr. X. So Mr. X started a business by investing cash of ₹10,000. Furniture of ₹20,000, goods of ₹30,000 to start the business. If I give the business transaction like that, Mr. X started business by investing cash of ₹10,000, furniture of ₹20,000, stock of goods of ₹30,000. Then what journal will come? The journal is like that: cash account debit, furniture account debit, stock account debit to capital. If you know the combined journal, then when you do the posting from combined journal to the ledger, that time very easy method I will tell you. First of all, you count how many accounts you got. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different accounts you got. Out of the 3 accounts are debit and 1 account is credit, and all 4 are uncommon. So I have to open the 4 ledger account here. That format I have drawn it here. First is called cash account, second is called furniture account, third is called stock of goods account, and fourth is called capital account. Got it? 4 account I have opened, 4 ledger. As you are having the 4 accounts in your journal, so 4 ledger we have opened. Now what we will do? Very simple method. Combined journal को मन में separate journal में convert करना. If I want to write a separate journal, how many journal I will get? Don't give the answer 4. 4 separate journal will not come. 3 separate journal will come. As you are having 4 accounts, but if you make it a separate journal, you will get how many journals separate? 3. Because capital account will go with all. First will come cash account debit to capital, second will come furniture account debit to capital, third will come stock of goods account debit to capital. तो मैं यहाँ सेपरेट जर्नल में प्रस्तुत लिख लेता है. पहले लिखना नहीं है, आपको सेपरेट जर्नल में मोन में से कन्वर्ट कर लेना है. एंड सो इट हियर. फर्स्ट विल कम कैश अकाउंट डेबिट to capital, that amount will come 10,000. Second will come furniture account debit to capital, that is 20,000. And third will come stock of goods debit to capital, that is 40,000. ये तीन ही जर्नल आएगा। कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, बिकॉज कैपिटल इज कॉमन विथ ऑल. If I want to write separate journal, you have to write cash account debit to capital of 10,000, furniture account debit to capital of 20,000, stock of goods account debit to capital of rupees 30,000. तो कैपिटल 60 कैरी ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. यहाँ एक बार 10 क्रेडिट हुआ, यहाँ एक बार 20 क्रेडिट हुआ, यहाँ एक बार 30 क्रेडिट हुआ, तो 60 क्रेडिट हो गया. और कैश एक बार डेबिट, फर्नीचर एक बार डेबिट, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स अकाउंट डेबिट, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट, स्टॉक. आप कंबाइंड जर्नल से सेपरेट जर्नल में कन्वर्ट करना का आपको आता है तो यहाँ से वहाँ जाने का कोई आपको तकलीफ नहीं होगा. क्यों? आई टोल्ड यू हाउ विल गो फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर. वंस ओनली फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, दैट ओनली यू हैव टू नो. कंबाइंड जर्नल को मोन में से सेपरेट जर्नल में कन्वर्ट कर लो. कैसे? कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, तो कैश का हो गया. अभी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, अब इसको पोस्टिंग करो. कौन सा अकाउंट में जाएगा? एक कैश अकाउंट में जाएगा और एक कैपिटल अकाउंट में जाएगा. कैसे जाएगा? कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय कैश. जेड रूल, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय कैश. तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, हाउ मच? 10,000. और एक बार कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय कैश, हाउ मच? 10,000. हो गया पोस्टिंग. वो बाय इसका फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय फर्नीचर. देखो फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, हाउ मच? 20,000. एंड कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय फर्नीचर, हाउ मच? 20,000. हो गया. और इसका स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश और कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स. Working. Is it? Do you feel it is hard? Nothing is hard. अभी मैंने डेबिट ज्यादा दिया, क्रेडिट कम दिया. उल्टा भी हो सकता है, जैसे डेबिट 1 है और क्रेडिट ज्यादा है. जैसे ऐसा है, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, टू बैंक, टू मिस्टर एक्स. इसमें क्या हुआ? डेबिट 1 है, क्रेडिट ज्यादा है. सब पहले 10,000 है, यहाँ क्या है? 3,000, 4,000 और सबका 3,000. यहाँ 2 लिखो, 2 4 6, 6 8 4 10 हो जाएगा ना. तो 2 3 कितना हुआ? 5. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? नो, इसका मतलब यू हैव परचेज गुड्स फ्रॉम मिस्टर एक्स, 2,000 you paid cash and 3,000 you paid check. You purchase goods from Mr. X, how much? 10,000. Out of that you have given cash 2,000 and you have given check of 3,000 until you have not paid 5,000. Why I have taken like that? Because one debit, 3 credits. Previous one was there, more debit, 1 credit. Now purchase will be common for all. This is a combined journal, you have to make it a separate. How will we make? Purchase account debit to a cash, एक journal आएगा 2,000. Then purchase account debit to bank, दूसरा journal आएगा 3,000. Then purchase account debit to Mr. X, तीसरा journal आएगा 5,000. तो combined journal को separate journal में मोन में convert करके directly posting करो. How many account you have to open? 1 2 3 4. 4 account you have to open. One is purchase account and is cash account, मतलब ledger. Purchase ledger, cash ledger, bank ledger और मिस्टर एक्स लेजर. चारों अकाउंट ओपन करना है, तीनों लेजर है. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, तो उसको करना है परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट बाय परचेस. अगेन परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट बाय परचेस. अगेन परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एक्स, परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एक्स, एक्स अकाउंट डेबिट बाय परचेस. दिस इज कॉल्ड the ledger posting from combined journal. Now I will tell you how we will do the posting from subsidiary books. Now I will teach you how we will do the ledger posting from subsidiary books. Just now I completed how we will do the ledger posting from combined journal. Now we will do the ledger posting from subsidiary books. I think you might have not forgotten what is called subsidiary books and how you have written in the subsidiary books, like that book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4. Just I want to revise you. Purchase books, sales books, purchase return books and sales return books. The name of this column every one of you know: date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, amount. Date, particulars, outward invoice number, LF, amount. Date, particulars, debit note, amount, and this is called credit note. You wrote Mr. A's account, here means you have purchased goods from Mr. A on credit. Subsidiary books, you have purchased goods from Mr. A on credit of rupees 10,000. You have sold goods to Mr. B of rupees 15,000. Mr. A has returned the goods of rupees 3,000 and we have given back goods to Mr. B of rupees 7,000. The journal entry I have not written, but by seeing the books itself I can understand what was the journal entry in the subsidiary books. Mr. A's name you wrote in purchase book means you have purchased goods from Mr. A on credit. Mr. B's name you wrote in sales books means you have sold goods to Mr. B on credit. Similarly, that Mr. A has given back and we have given back to Mr. B. What we will do, that whatever the subsidiary books comes, this is the way of writing the subsidiary books. When you will do the ledger posting, that time a very simple method you have to keep in mind, that we will convert manually into the journal format. Simple journal format में हम convert कर दें. This is the way of writing in the subsidiary books. You have purchased goods from Mr. A on credit, that you wrote, this is the way. But if you want to write this one in the simple journal, instead of writing in the subsidiary books, what journal you could have written? You have written purchase account debit to A. आपको क्या करना है? सिंपल जर्नल में कन्वर्ट कर लेना है. Purchase account debit to A. Am I correct? Purchase account debit to A. If it is there, now I write the T form. This is a short form. T form मतलब short form. This is the ledger. But you are having this side so many number of columns. This side also you are having so many numbers of columns. Date, particulars, J amount. This side date, particulars, J amount. And I am not writing this all. I am writing only in short form the one on account. What will do? Purchase account and A account. This is purchase account and this is Mr. A account. What is this? Ledger. I have not drawn the remaining columns of debit side. You understand? Date, particulars, J amount, date, A. One I am drawing. Remaining you will understand. This is date, particulars, J amount, date, particulars, J amount, and this is credit and this is debit. Similarly, here also same thing. Here also same thing it will be there. Now we will do the posting in the two account. One is purchase account and is Mr. A account. One is purchase account and is Mr. A account. And I told that one that you convert it to the simple journal. Purchase account debit to A. Purchase account debit to A. Mr. A account. How much? And Mr. A account credit by purchase account. This is how much? बस इसका क्वेश्चन हो गया. अभी समझ में मिस्टर सी है. इसका बाद ए के बाद मिस्टर सी है, तो पर्चेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर सी. डी है, पर्चेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर डी. तो सी होगा तो पर्चेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू सी, तो पर्चेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू सी, पर्चेज अकाउंट कॉमन हो जाएगा. और सी अकाउंट यू हैव टू ओपन न्यू. whenever the new account comes, you have to open it. Whenever the common account comes, they are going to do the posting. So this is called the posting from subsidiary books or purchase books. Now you come to the sales books. As you have done purchase account debit to A, here you don't think sales account debit to B, then it will be wrong. आपको कम से कम ये आइडिया होना चाहिए, इफ यू बाय द गुड्स परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट कम्स, इफ यू सोल्ड द गुड्स सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट. So as you have thought or read purchase account debit to Mr. A, that is in case of purchase book, but if it is a sales books, then B account debit to sales. यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा, वो यहाँ से यहाँ. तो B account debit to sales, this is your journal. Here if you do mistakes, then it will be wrong. हमेशा याद रखना है, purchase account always debit, party credit. Sales account always credit, party debit. Purchase return always A याद रखना है. This is always debit. This is always credit. This is always credit. This is always debit. Now ये credit account है, तो A debit होगा. B account debit to sales. So how many account होगा? 2. One is sales account and is B account. You have to open because when purchase account and A account common नहीं आता है. So one is sales account and is B account. Now coming B account debit to sales, post करो B account debit to sales. और एक बार sales account debit by B. हो गया? पोस्टिंग सिंपल जर्नल में कन्वर्ट कर लो, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका पोस्टिंग हो जाएगा. वो जेल ग्रुप मैंने जो बोला. अभी काम टू दिस प्लेस, परचेज रिटर्न क्रेडिट, पार्टी डेबिट. अभी आपको याद रखना है ये चार. परचेज हमेशा डेबिट, सेल्स हमेशा क्रेडिट, परचेज इज रिटर्न, परचेज रिटर्न ऑपोजिट ऑफ परचेज. परचेज जो डेबिट होगा तो परचेज रिटर्न क्रेडिट होगा, और सेल्स रिटर्न ऑपोजिट ऑफ सेल्स. सेल्स रिटर्न ऑपोजिट ऑफ सेल्स. If sales is credit, sales is debit. तो सबको आ गया. बाकी पार्टी अकाउंट, यहाँ डेबिट मिल गया तो पार्टी अकाउंट क्रेडिट, यहाँ क्रेडिट मिल गया तो पार्टी अकाउंट डेबिट, यहाँ क्रेडिट मिल गया तो पार्टी अकाउंट डेबिट, यहाँ डेबिट मिल गया तो पार्टी अकाउंट क्रेडिट. अब यहाँ परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट क्रेडिट और ए अकाउंट डेबिट. तो ए अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज रिटर्न, दिस इज योर जर्नल. ए अकाउंट डेबिट टू पीआर. ए अकाउंट ऑलरेडी यू हैव ओपन किया है, तो यहाँ आपको पीआर मतलब परचेज रिटर्न लिखना है. कितना? 3000. और एक अकाउंट ओपन करना है व्हिच इज कॉल्ड परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट. तो परचेज रिटर्न यू हैव टू ओपन इट, करेक्ट? तो यू हैव टू ओपन द परचेज रिटर्न. सपोज दिस इज पीआर. तो क्या है? ए अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज रिटर्न, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट बाय. हो गया? सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो एसआर मतलब सेल्स रिटर्न. सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट यहाँ नहीं है, यू हैव टू ओपन इट द सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट. दिस इज परचेज अकाउंट, दिस इज ए अकाउंट, दिस इज सेल्स अकाउंट, दिस इज बी अकाउंट. तो सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट यू हैव टू ओपन. बी अकाउंट कॉमन इज देयर. बी अकाउंट इज कॉमन. व्हाट इज जर्नल? सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी. तो सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी, बी अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय एसआर. यहाँ एसआर पोस्टिंग हो जाएगा 7000. नो सॉरी, नॉट हियर. सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी, बी अकाउंट क्रेडिट बाय एसआर. यहाँ बाय एसआर अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 700. दिस इज सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी. बी अकाउंट में पोस्टिंग किया. और एक अकाउंट ओपन करना है एसआर मतलब सेल्स रिटर्न. तो सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी. लेजर पोस्टिंग चैप्टर में आपको जो 3 things you have to learn in this chapter that I told. One is called the posting, which is little difficult. That simple way I taught you. Next is coming totaling and balancing. Totaling and balancing I will tell you afterwards. First you learn how to do the posting. How to do the posting for the Z route I told, and how to do the posting. It may be from the simple journal, it may be from the combined journal, it may be from the journal proper, it may be from the subsidiary books, it may be from the cash books also. I told you till now how we will do the posting from the simple journal, how we will do the posting, how you will do the posting from the combined journal, and how you will do the posting from the subsidiary books. Next I will tell you how you will do the posting from कैश बुक. आपका बुक में पेज नंबर 1 है. Yes, got it. आपका बुक में पेज नंबर 201 where ledger posting chapter started, chapter 9, page number 201, the theoretical part of 201 and 202. I told you the 202 6th point, the utility or the advantage of the ledger. From this ledger account you can understand how much total amount you have purchased, how much total amount you have made a transactions with Mr. A, how much total sales you have done, how much money still it is left to be paid to Mr. B or to be received from Mr. B. Individual's account you will get, that is called ledger, and ledger is called the main book. The MCQ may come, what is called the main book? The answer is ledger is called the main book and journal is called the basic book. The utility means this is the utility what I told you, and page number 202, the points you will read it already I told, because after the ledger next one more book which you have to maintain, that is called trial balance, and how we will do the trial balance, that is depending on the balance of the ledger, that will come afterwards. Next, the forms of the ledger, that MCQ may come or a 3 marks theoretical questions also may come. How many forms of ledgers are there? There are 3 types of ledger forms are there. There is bond book ledger, loose leaf ledger and कार्ड ledger. मतलब लेजर मेंटेन करना है 3 टाइप बुक में. एक होता है फॉर्म बॉन्ड बुक, मतलब लाइक दैट इट इज ऑलरेडी बॉन्डेड, मतलब इट इज स्टिचेस एंड वन साइड इट इज क्लोज and other side is open. How the notebook is there, that is called the bonded book. There you can maintain the ledger. And it's loose leaf, मतलब you can take any paper out or you can keep any paper, just how we are maintaining the file. If I maintain the file with loose paper, that if you are doing any mistake in any page, that page you can take it out and new page you can put inside. That is called the loose leaf. And it's card system. Card system means if you have gone to the library, you will find out that there is a bunch of cards are there, and by seeing this card, you can identify the which ledger it is there, in which books or in which account it is kept. And card, according to the title or according to the accounts, name of the accounts it is kept, it may be the alphabetically, so it will be easy to find out. And library, if you visit in big library, national library, there you will find out there are so many cards it is kept. By seeing the card, you can take the books, which books you, because in huge books are kept in this library, and which book you want, how it will be easy to find out why you kept this book, by seeing the card or by seeing the name of the author or by the name of the book, you can identify the books where it is kept. Like that, question may come either in the MCQ or 1 or 2 line question answer also, that how many forms of ledgers are there. The answer is 3 forms of ledgers are there, which is given in page number 203. Just you go through it. This is the theoretical part of this ledger, and practical sides I already started. Next video I will teach you how we will do the ledger question from cash book, and we will make a practice mode. You have seen that in this chapter I have not taken the question from your illustration as well as the exercise. Illustrations, it is their answer, it is given in your book that you go through. Exercise, which way I told you that you follow, remaining all the question, it will be very easy for you. You will not feel any difficult. Hope so. Even though if you have any doubt, you can tell me, I will clear your doubt. Hope you are understanding. Okay, bye, all the best.